Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Death Stranding error code 50008. The error reads, "Connection to Death Stranding 2 game server is unstable, switching to offline mode." As per the research, the error comes when users try to play online, but are suddenly disconnected and forced into offline mode. According to our research, the error may be caused by network issues or overloaded game servers. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. Once both are restarted, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, install it and see if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then the servers might be overloaded. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.